There are many procedural tasks in daily life, such as cooking, machine use, and medical self-care. However, people often face challenges during their execution, and mistakes can lead to serious consequences. For example, imagine an espresso machine in a shared space. If one person forgets to dump the grinder after brewing espresso, it will damage the machine and irritate the space manager. Moreover, manually training new beginner people every time is time-consuming and does not scale well. Prior work uses human activity recognition with a smartwatch or ambient sensor to make a smart assistant for procedural tasks, such as cooking. However, these methods face significant challenges for scale. First, sensing models require training data from many sessions. Second, the procedure step tracking is a challenging task, and the accuracy is inherently limited. As a result, users may feel annoyed by inappropriate responses. Here, the user gets their question, "What's next?" answered with "pour the milk," even after they've already done it. Other errors, like off-timed reminders, may make users give up using the assistant that never becomes smarter. In this work, we introduce an approach to scale sensor-based task assistants with a single demonstration and online adaptation through dialogue. Let's walk through the user experience our work enables. First, the system designer has to only do a one-shot demonstration with the watch. Our step tracker utilizes an unsupervised filtering approach to improve the efficiency of data for the activity recognition model. It also uses an LLM with the demonstration to automatically generate the task transition graph, which refines the tracking. This approach enables the step tracker to achieve the same accuracy with just a single demonstration as what previously took almost 10. Then, the assistant is configured with this warm start accuracy and interacts with users. Here, the dialogue is designed based on the mixed initiative principle, including question answering, reminders, confirmations, and self-narration. Importantly, we introduce a mechanism to enable the assistant to dynamically update the step tracker based on the dialogue with the user. This will help the assistant to recover from errors during interaction in real time, leading to better accuracy and quality of interactions. Let's see how this assistant helps the space manager for the espresso machine. With the space manager's single demonstration from earlier, they now enable others to install the assistant. This assistant reliably helps prevent errors through reminders.
After brewing coffee, don't forget to dump the grinds and rinse the filter.
And it helps beginners by answering their questions as they learn the process.
What to do now?
When you're done grinding the beans, move the filter to the brew head and turn it to the right. Don't forget to place your cup underneath.
Thank you.
The system can also ask for user input to resolve step tracking uncertainty.
Can you tell me what you are doing?
I'm pouring milk to the espresso.
Great. Next, you can wash the jar.
Since the watch was worn on the hand holding the mug, it was not sure what the action was in this step, asking to clarify. The user can also voluntarily help the system by self-narrating their actions.
I am washing the filter.
Nice. If you have done washing both the jar and portafilter, you can enjoy your latte.
We did a comprehensive study and demonstrated the effectiveness of our approach involving 145 sessions across 74 participants. Our system improved tracking accuracy, reduced inappropriate responses, enhanced the user experience, and overall helped them master a new task. Finally, we conducted an application exploration and participants demonstrated a variety of scenarios, such as laser cutting in a workshop or making glue for a physics experiment in which the physicist asked for assistance on a step in order to get the correct measurements. Next, we think we can deploy our assistant to post-operative skin cancer patients to support their everyday wound care.
Okay, what's next?
After washing your hands, please wash your wound gently.
Oh, I have done that.
After washing your wound, please dry it gently with a clean gauze.
Okay.
If you are patting your wound dry, do not scrub it.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Please refer to the full paper for more detail.